Hello everyone, today we're doing a EICR and I'm just going to take you through the process and what you can expect during an EICR. I'll turn the camera around now and make a start. So just start turning stuff on, light fittings, checking sockets as we walk round. So then we go, just keep turning stuff on and off, checking lights, fittings, like so. Looking at making sure cooker switches and stuff, turn the cookers on. Then we get round, then we check like the gas and water bonding to make sure you've got. So let me just get out of focus. So this is the water bond here. So we're just checking there. It's meant to have a tag on it saying do not remove. So that would be recommendation to replace that tag. Just checking. There's the tag there. You can see on that one just about. And then we've got another water bond that goes up to the underneath the sink. Then we're just checking, unplugging stuff as we go. We get round to the old consume unit. This old gem. So as you can see, you've got a central heating and a ring main, a 15 amp fuse with a question mark, lights and fan, and then a 5 amp. And there's your oven. These two have been removed. Supply type, TNS. This is again, it's got to have an earth tag on it. Then we go and check the gas bonding. So going around to the gas. There's the gas meter. So then we're checking to see whether you've got a gas bond on the gas pipe. It has to be within 600 mil of entry of the property, so that's fine. So that's the gas bonding, the consume unit done. So now all we do after that is we will then start testing your circuits, making sure you're right. So that's the gas and water bond visually inspected. Now we're remove some sockets and switches to make sure to sample them, to see what the wiring's like behind, see if there's any alterations anywhere, make sure everything's okay. Then we need to also remove some light fittings, and if there's any downlights anywhere, make sure they're fire rated and move them. Yeah, and then we start testing, so I'll bring you back with some more. So starting upstairs, we're taking this socket off here. As you can see, it's not terminated the best. It's got a spur in there. It's got the old grey PVC as well, which normally means it's got 1 mil worth. So we'll find that out when we do the testing. But yeah, this isn't the best, is it? It's all dead, so. Then we go out into the hallway, taking this switch off here in the hallway. That cable fell straight out the back. This one's, oh, there you go. Those two just fell out of there. I think it goes two-way downstairs, but two-way wasn't working. In here, there's your spur from the other side I'm guessing it is. Yeah, that one's terminated a little bit better, but that'll do. There's only one socket per room. I'm taking down some light fittings, just checking connections as we go. Yeah, not much to see there, to be honest. Smoke detector. Yeah, though the smoke's not covered by the EICR, we always check the date anyway. So, replace unit 2013 or 18, can't see from there. So yeah, we've got some IP rated light in here, which isn't too bad. We will just double check it's IP rated. In here, get this one off and have a look. I'll show you downstairs. So downstairs, got a socket here on looks to be 1.5 3-core flex, which isn't very good. Can't tell where it goes to. I haven't found any sockets with this flex in it, so it's got to go to a junction box of some sort, which will get put down on the EICR. Light switches and lights. This light's got two newer cables. Again, it's not terminated the best with things like this. So it'll get put down on the report. This light switch here isn't too bad. We'll just double check the connections. As you can see, we're just sampling stuff. Got a socket here, spur in it. Again, it's got the old grey cable, so I'm guessing it's a 1 mil worth. And over here we've got someone who run out of earth sleeving. Just double check the connections again. We've got both the electric hob and the oven run off that supply, so we need to double check what's behind. Taking spur off, see what's like. It's not too bad, but could have done that being stripped a bit better. And then we found in here what looks to be like an old heater supply of some sort, and then that looks probably like the old controls for it. There's just beyond these blank plates. So yeah, I'll bring you back with anything else. Right, now we're testing the bonding. You got one to lead out. Kieran's going to go outside to the gas. That's the other end of the gas there. As you can see, it goes down through the wall. Just wait for Kieran. There we go, set it up on the tripod. That might be a bit better for you. As you can see, Kieran's going on and off it. See what reading we get. There we go. That's the reading. So that's the gas bonding done. Now he's going to do the water. Go on then, Kieran, do the water. Cool. A little bit high, but I'm sure I could tighten up and get that working. Kieran's just still running around, just checking any metal light fittings, etc. Like so. But I'll just show you the board while he's doing it. Put these two joined together here. Got this nice, lovely neutral hanging out the top there. That one looks like it's been chewed. Same down the bottom there, hanging out. So as Kieran goes around here, once it beeps like so, yeah, I just let him know it's aft. And we record the highest one, and then we know that's where our R1, R2 end is going to be. I'll bring you back. So now we're doing R1, R2, just on the oven. It goes into there. You got 0.12, like so. And you move to the next one. That's the ring, don't do the ring. Now we've got the water heater. And like, just keep going. Good. Right, let's just do the lights first. .33. Neutrals should be the same, or thereabouts. Oh, it's good, isn't it, that? To the earth. .39. Too bad. Right. Some leads. So go to a socket. Okay. Cool, all done. Right, that's it on this one. I had to jump the gun a little bit because time's getting on and we've got another job to attend. But I'll just flip you around. We've done all the IR testing. Everything tested perfectly fine on the IR testing, 999 on a couple of circuits. All the bonding, everything tested okay, R1, R2's tested fine. Rings you saw last. But yeah, we'll just show you everything back together. And there's a couple of little things that we've picked up on that I'll take a picture of, and then I'll show you at the end. Thanks for watching.